Introducing the world's lightest folding mobility scooter, the eFOLDi Lite. Back in 2016, when we introduced the original award-winning eFOLDi,
Brilliant job.
it was already the lightest and most compact mobility scooter on the market, described by Sir Richard Branson as folding magic. Now, with the new eFOLDi Lite, we are pushing the boundaries even further. Thanks to the newly designed magnesium alloy body, the frame is now 30% lighter while providing greater strength. And with a more efficient battery design, the eFOLDi Lite weighs in at just 15 kilograms. The battery and rear wheels can be quickly removed to reduce the weight even further down to 12 kilograms. The scooter can be easily folded to the size of a small piece of luggage for simple transportation and storage. Unlike a conventional mobility scooter, it can easily be carried in the boot of any car. Revolutionizing mobility for the masses, eFOLDi Lite is the perfect travel companion, whether for shopping, leisure, commuting, or traveling. Operating the eFOLDi Lite is simple. To unfold, just open one latch, release a pin, and roll it out. Users of any age can master it within minutes of practice. And it is just as easy to drive. Thanks to its ultra-small turning circle, you can access shops, offices with ease, and maneuver in and out of the tightest of spaces. eFOLDi Lite is packed full of features. It will carry loads of 120 kilograms and travel up to 22 kilometers on a single charge, with a maximum speed of 6 kilometers per hour. And the battery can be charged easily and quickly. A high torque motor enables the scooter to climb a 1 in 5 gradient, and it's powerful enough to tackle some of the rougher terrain. Thanks to its built-in electromagnetic brake system, it will stop quickly and hold securely on slopes. Discover how eFOLDi Lite can change your life or the life of someone you love who has a mobility challenge. eFOLDi, an innovative and established British brand. Unfold your travel freedom.